Hello, my crunchified clean friends. Do you have really high walls? It's just hard to get up there. You don't want to be climbing up a ladder to get the cobwebs and dust. I have your solution. The Microfiber Wholesale High Reach Duster. This thing is amazing. You just put it together, and the best part is that it folds over. I got 3 of these like finger type scrubbers. They're super, super thick. All those little hundreds and hundreds of fingers will easily grab the dust. So look how easy it is to install. Look at that. You just put it together. Best part, those blue finger like wash things are machine washable, reusable. It's not like those other brands that you throw away. It's reusable. So you can fold it over, get on a ceiling fan, dust, get over your doors. It goes up to 7 feet. It's super tall. You can get really high. It's a fantastic high reach duster. So get it down below with my affiliate link, Microfiber Wholesale. Trust me, it's worth the investment. And if you like this video and you want to see more eco-oily friendly cleaning tips and organizing, comment down below, like, subscribe, and follow along. Check out my TikTok, my Instagram, my Facebook, my website, and my YouTube. Thank you. Crunchified Clean. Peace.